Good morning. The air feels fresh today.
Good morning. Yes, it feels calm. I like mornings like this.
Me too. A quiet start helps my head feel clear.
That is a good point. A clear head makes it easier to think about the day.
I have been trying to work on my mindset lately. Small steps.
What do you mean by mindset?
How I think about things, my attitude, how I react when things go wrong.
Ah, I see. That is important. A positive mindset helps, but it can be hard to keep.
Exactly. I try 3 simple things. First, I name one small win each morning,
One small win? Like what?
like getting up on time, or making tea, or walking for 10 minutes. It makes me feel I can do things.
That makes sense. I can try that. I will say one small win out loud.
Second, I focus on what I can control. I remind myself, focus on what I can control.
I like that phrase. I will remember it. Focus on what I can control.
Repeat it when you feel stressed. It helps you stop thinking about things you cannot change.
That will help with work stress. I often worry about the past and about other people.
Try asking 2 questions instead of worrying. Ask, what can I do now? And what do I need to accept?
Those are good questions. They are simple, they move me to action.
Yes, action beats worry. Even a small action helps.
What is the third thing you do?
I practice gentle self-talk. I say things like, this is hard, but I can try, or I will learn.
Self-talk matters. I sometimes speak to myself harshly. I can switch to kinder words.
Kind words help your brain. They change how you feel. Try it for 1 week.
Do you do any physical routine to help your mindset?
Yes, a short walk, like this, or 5 minutes of stretching. Physical movement clears my mind.
I agree. When I move, my thoughts slow down. I can think more clearly.
Also, I try to remember that setbacks are part of learning. I tell myself, mistakes teach me.
That is hard for me. I see mistakes as proof I failed.
Try to name what you learned from a mistake, even one small fact. It changes the meaning of the mistake.
I like that. Turn failure into learning. Name one lesson. Good tip.
Another practical habit is to write 1 sentence at the end of the day. A simple note, today I learned, or today I did.
One sentence only. That sounds easy. I can do that.
It is easy, and it trains your mind to find value in the day.
Do you use gratitude? People talk about gratitude a lot.
I do. I name 2 things I am thankful for each morning. Small things count. A warm cup of tea, a friendly smile.
2 things. That is simple. I will try it. 2 small things every morning.
When you meet negative thoughts, do not fight them hard. Notice them and let them pass.
How do you let them pass?
Use your breath. Slow inhale, slow exhale 3 times. Then say a calm line. This will pass.
Breathing helps. I will try that next time I feel stuck.
One more thing. Be patient with yourself. Change takes time. A good mindset grows slowly.
Patience is hard. I want quick results.
I know, but small, steady habits beat short bursts. Do 1 small habit every day. Add another after 2 weeks.
These tips feel useful. Name small wins, focus on control, kinder self-talk, move your body, learn from mistakes, write 1 sentence, use gratitude, breathe, be patient.
Yes, that list covers it. Simple and useful.
Thank you. I feel ready to try these steps tomorrow morning.
You're welcome. We can check in next week on the bench, see how it goes.
That sounds good. I like the idea of small, steady steps.
Me too. The park is a good place to practice. The rhythm of walking helps the mind.
I agree. 1 slow step, 1 clear thought. That will be my new habit.
1 step, 1 thought. Keep it simple.
Yes, keep it simple. Thank you for the walk and the ideas.
Thank you. See you next week.